Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change password on your Pinterest account. So let's get started. So if you want to change password on your Pinterest account, then what you can do is just simply open up your Pinterest application. And after opening up your Pinterest application, just tap on this save option which is on the bottom of your screen. And after tapping on save, now in order to change your password, what you can do is just simply tap on your profile, or you can also call it as account. So just tap on your profile which is on the top left corner of your screen. And after tapping on that, now what you can do is just simply tap on account management. And after tapping on your account management, now in order to change your password, what you can do is just simply tap on change password. After tapping on change password, now what you can do is just simply enter your current password and then enter the new password, and again enter that new password to confirm that password in the third blank. So in the first blank, you have to enter your current password. After entering your current password, now you can enter your new password and then re-enter that same password. So after entering your old password and then re-entering your same password, just tap on done which is on the top right corner. And after tapping on done, here you can see guys, your password has been successfully changed. So that's it guys, this is how to change password on your Pinterest account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.